today we're doing a special video. It's for Christmas because it's almost Christmas. It's only like 2 days. So we're drawing how to draw Santa, and that's why you see a Santa right in front of you.
That's right.
Yeah, I'm in it because, well, it's special and it's special.
All right, Ducky, so tell me, is this the first Santa that we drew?
No.
I wanted to show you this because sometimes it takes a lot of sketching and practicing to get things right. So we started with, where's Big Santa? This Big Santa. Ducky gave you some feedback and we switched to this guy and then this guy. We did long beards, we did short beards, big noses, small noses, little eyes, big eyes. We did all kinds of things.
Yeah, and you can do whatever you want. Big eyes, like whatever she said. And you don't have to use marker. You don't have to use this. You could use pencil.
So
you could use
good.
crayon. You could use anything you wanted to.
So Ducky's right, but today we're using Sharpies. I have the thick point one and Ducky's got a fine point one. We both like the thick one better, but Ducky's going to be showing you what the fine one looks like. We have our paper ready to go. Just so the viewers know, it's doubled up, so there's a piece underneath too, because sometimes it goes through. And we're just using regular Crayola markers. Do you remember what to do first?
One big oval in the middle. Like
one big oval in the middle. That's his nose.
And then like this.
And then we're going to draw 2 little eyes filled in.
Yeah, so.
And on top, you're going to do some little semicircles. That's like a circle cut in half.
So it should look like that.
Yes. Good. Don't forget your semicircles.
Okay. I know. I was just making eyes. So
from here, we're going to do a little J shape coming down, not too far.
Yeah.
I went a little far this time.
Like,
and then a backwards J.
Sometimes I practiced and I did it a bit too long.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to finish it off with this little slide shape and connect them.
So it should look like a lemon?
It does look like a squishy lemon. Okay. Are we good, Ducky? Good. Yeah, you did the little mouth. That's perfect. I think you already have yours, huh? Okay. Now we're going to do a nice wide arc, a curve.
So the other side should be bigger than the other side.
And then you're going to go up and around.
Up and around. So we're getting to the hat soon.
Yep.
So,
but first we got to do his little cheeks. They're going to curve down under the nose.
Yeah. But not at the end. Just right here.
I forgot. Yeah, you have to leave a little gap here. Thank you for reminding us.
Okay.
Okie dokie. And then the beard. So now we can go towards the edge. We're going to go out a little.
So
and down like a house shape.
Down like a house shape.
And then back up.
Sometimes I have to look.
That's okay. I hope our viewers are looking too.
Because just talking, because I don't really know, might not know.
Okay, we're going to do 2. I did a little line on the left.
So you don't have to do it like HotYahtzee. You can do a pointy hat, and then it'll just be like the little fuzz balls there. Or you can do this, and then you can go, and then the fuzz ball will be here.
That's right.
So there.
And I like a nice round fuzz ball. Ducky likes a puffy.
I don't know how this is a fuzz ball, but I just I don't know how I did. I don't know.
Oh, that's cool. It looks like little snowflakes are on it.
Yeah.
We had a very big snow today.
Yeah, a lot of snow. I couldn't even sled that good.
Why don't you do his hat while I use the skin color?
Oh, or you could do some at the top and just make a fuzz ball.
That's true.
Now, let's get to coloring.
And you can use whatever colors you have.
Yeah, or you don't have to really use the Santa color. You could just color Santa.
Yeah, this could be a good
white.
elf tutorial too.
Well, I don't really know how to draw elf. you could draw the body if you wanted to.
Yeah.
But we're not, because this is just a good head. Because, well, drawing the head is the hardest part. When you're drawing all the body, you're just drawing head, feet, and stuff. Like, there's not even a difference. Like, faces can be different. Like, I guess shirts can be different. They could just be like blowing in the wind and like all flowy and stuff, I guess. But like the face is the more important part.
For sure. All right. I've got mine just about done.
I didn't.
It's a very simple Santa Claus.
I just want it to be shaded white and perfect so it doesn't go off like that.
That's okay. It's okay to make mistakes when we're doing art projects. That's how we learn.
Yeah, and I just wanted
that looks really good.
There. Just want to take that.
Very nice. All right, so that's how you do a simple Santa.
Yeah.
Not too hard. Give it a try at home and let us know what you think. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye. That was pretty good.